Feeling run down no matter how hard you try to live healthy? Low energy, slow recovery, and that constant feeling that your body just isn't bouncing back? Every day, your body is under attack from stress, toxins, intense exercise, and environmental exposures. Over time, this burden drains your system, weakens recovery, and leaves you feeling depleted from the inside out. That's why MaxHealth Nutraceuticals created GlutaMax Powder. Designed to support your body's natural antioxidant defenses and detox pathways, GlutaMax helps promote cellular protection, immune support, and faster recovery, so your body can restore, reset, and recharge. Simple, clean, and easy to mix. This is daily support your body can feel. Visit drnicolemd.com to learn more about GlutaMax Powder and make it part of your wellness routine. Protect your cells, support your strength. MaxHealth Nutraceuticals, helping your body thrive from within.